See, I started in 97, 98 during that time, right? So, just a representative, right? Humble representative into sales, like pharmaceuticals, right? And later, of course, cosmeceuticals, nutraceuticals, nutrition, cosmetics, and then, of course, business development level. One of the number one, the hospitals in Sri Lanka, Navaloka, and Sri Lanka Telecom. Likewise, into many education sector, telco, right? So then when I started, what I noticed was that a lot of people are lacking these visionary goals, right? So then you don't see these opportunities, right? You don't see these opportunities when you are not open to, certain, people in that level at that time thought it's a hassle, too much work. So how to finish work fast, right? So they never thought, okay, by working you can improve yourself, but with a happy heart, in a systematic manner. If you think systematic manner, see how many things you can understand, rather just doing. So if you plan yourself, that this is all planning, right? This is what I discussed, all planning. So the challenges I had was like, the majority of people don't think like that. Then you become a misfit. Cultural misfit. So it's very difficult to break that barrier in countries, Asian countries. It's very difficult. So that was one of the challenges I had, but I managed to somehow overcome them. But up to date, I go to meet clients. Even last week I met clients. Not a lot of clients. So B2B, right? The last week I went with my business manager, and she came with her colleague, another person under her, and business development manager, and project manager, myself, and another business analyst, 6 people. We met their marketing head, technical head, and also deputy chairman, like the second to CEO. So we met. So you need to, if you are into key accounts, if you are into sales and marketing, even if you become a CEO, C-level person, chief marketing officer, still you have to meet customers. Otherwise you will lose that touch. So that customer encounter, that the moment of truth is very important for your improvement. Certain accounts, so see, I have this thing called BIDA, just like radar. So I feel this is my customer. This customer is going to give me sales. I feel it. That's why I always keep that accounts manager's rating. I have up to date, they will never lose that if you have that. So I can read the customer's psyche with that ability that I have, so I manage to close my accounts. I know the closure. I know the closing signals. Beyond that, the BIDA helps me, okay, this is my client. This is my future client. So based on that, I get adjusted everything. Sometimes even before I go. I look at my clients' faces on LinkedIn, elsewhere, and I try to understand, because every face has something that you can understand. A lot of things written in your face. You can't hide that. It's dangerous. There are people who can read the face, facial expressions, body language. So it's something that you gain over the years, but certain people they have as they. Now see, the strategic intent of seller is improving, simultaneous strategic intent of the buyer. See, so that is how it's going. It should be going, right? This level is not very safe. You need to understand the risk of that place, right? All right. So likewise, so then the exploratory, still you have to explore things there, right? Exploration is still there. And then basic, and then cooperative, independent, interdependent, and then integrated. So likewise, so you can see how you can see the relationship development model by Malcolm and also a few other people, as you can see what they have found. So then I can show you this, then you will understand this better, right? Professor Malcolm McDonald, right? What he has plotted here. So CAM relationship stage, integrated, interdependent, cooperative, basic, and degree of collaboration. The relationship level is very high towards up in this level, and when it comes to the basic level, it's just transactional. So they only look at sometimes the certain financial benefits that they get at this level, right? And then needs of parties to CAM relationship. So you need to have a realization of fullest potential of both organizations at this stage. If you don't have this understanding, it's a problem. Most of the time it is there. So that's why the intent is more, right? And then when it comes to the interdependent, it's a very good level. They are about to go to the integrated level. Confidence in relationship is very high. If not, you have to build, right? So stable and highly evaluated by both sides. They know each other. No competitor can creep through and come and tell, look here, that party is like this. So they are going for bankruptcy. You can't tell these type of stories because sometimes competitors do these type of dirty things, whether they like it or not. Our job is not to correct competitor. Our job is to understand the competition, right? You get what I'm trying to tell you? So you are not supposed to correct. You can't correct. You can't correct your competitors. You can't correct your customers. So, but you need to understand where they are in terms of certain, right? Beliefs, values, right? And also their objectives, etc., etc., right? So, and then reduction of risk, right? There is a risk reduction here, but you need to further reduce to jump to the next level. And then basic level operational efficient transactions is like your cash cow, but that's okay, right? It has not come to the star level. You know what is this star level cash cows? I'm not going to talk about those things, right? So then it's your basic level relationship stage that you have.